This question might look very confusing for a lot of people. As you can see, they're getting a new trigonometric ratio out of nowhere. But then it's not, again, it's not that hard. We just have to keep this one identity in mind. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. And we can write tan square theta as sec square theta minus 1. Okay. So here we have sec theta. Let's square both sides. So we'll get sec square theta equals to x plus 1 by 4x whole square. Now let's simplify the RHS. It is x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4x whole square. Got x square, the x and x cancel, so it will become 1 by 2 plus 1 by 16 x square. Okay, this is our sec square theta. Now to find out tan square theta, we can see if we subtract 1. We subtract 1 on both sides, we get this. Okay, let's do it. So we should sec square theta minus 1 is 2 x square plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 16 x square minus 1. Since this 1 is a integer, it can only be subtracted from this 1 by 2. It can't be subtracted from the others as they have variables, and it will make sense to subtract it from this term. We'll write this as tan square. Cool. And then 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. So write it there, x square minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 16 x square. Now many of you will get to this step, but you won't know how to proceed. We have to see that this is an identity. Since this is x plus 1 by 4x whole square, we can, since it's a minus symbol here, we can write this as x minus 1 by 4x whole square. X minus 1 by 4x whole square. And this is tan square. We have to find sec theta plus tan theta. Let's take root on both sides. So the square and the root gets cancelled, the square and the root gets cancelled. So tan theta equals to x minus 1 by 4x. Don't forget there's two values for tan theta. It's plus minus. Okay. So we'll get x plus 1 by 4x, x minus 1 by 4x, and then we get 1 by 4x minus x. Now let's come to our original problem where we have to solve that. So sec theta plus tan theta. Write the value of the sec theta that we obtained, that we had from before, 1 by 4x, x plus 1 by 4x, and let's write the first value of tan theta, x minus 1 by 4x plus x minus 1 by 4x. So we get the 1 by 4 1 by 4 is cancelled. We'll get 2x. And now for the second answer, again at the original value of sec theta, x plus 1 by 4x. Now the value is 1 by 4x minus x. In this case, the x's get cancelled, and then we get 2 by 4x or 1 by 2x. These are our answers, 2x and 1 by 2x. Thanks for watching the reel. I hope you all understood.